In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the turnover calculator in Xero. To keep things simple and accurate, we'll use the profit and loss report inside Xero. That's the most reliable place to see your turnover, which is essentially your total sales or income for a chosen period. I'll walk you through where to click, how to set the time frame, how to compare periods, and how to export your results. Start by heading to the reporting area. This is your hub for all financial insights in Xero. From here, you can quickly access the reports that summarize how your business is performing. Opening reporting first keeps everything organized and puts the right tools at your fingertips. Next, open all reports. This shows the full library, so you're not guessing where things live. It's especially helpful if you're switching between different types of reports throughout the month. From this list, you'll be able to find exactly what you need without digging through multiple menus. Now, choose profit and loss. This is the report that brings your revenue and expenses together. For turnover, focus on the income section near the top. Depending on how your chart of accounts is set up, you might see headings like sales, revenue, or operating income. The total of that income section is what most businesses refer to as turnover for the period you select. At the top of the report, set the date range to this month. That instantly updates the figures, so you're looking at your current month's turnover. If you need a different window, you can switch to last month, a quarter, or year to date. Just remember, turnover is always tied to the period you choose, so pick the range that matches the question you are trying to answer. You can also compare periods. Use the Compare With option to line this month up against a previous month or the same month last year. The side-by-side view makes it easy to spot trends, seasonality, or growth. It also helps you check whether you're on track with targets or approaching any thresholds that matter to your business. When you're happy with the view, click Export. Choose PDF for a clean, shareable snapshot, Excel if you want to perform deeper analysis or add your own formulas, or Google Sheets for easy collaboration. Give the export a clear file name and make sure the date, range, and comparison settings are exactly how you want them reflected. And that's it. Reporting. All reports, profit and loss, set your date range, compare periods, and export. With this workflow, you'll have a clear, dependable view of your turnover whenever you need it.